Stage 4. Train your ears to understand fast English like a native. Welcome back to my channel. This is Stage 4 of our Level Up Your English Masterclass series, and today we're going to work on something that most learners find super frustrating: listening to fast, natural English. But before we start, if you haven't watched Stage 1, 2, or 3 yet, please do watch them first. Each stage builds your skills step by step, and I promise you don't want to miss any part that can boost your fluency. Links are in the description and pinned comment below. Now let's get started. Why you struggle to understand fast English? Maybe you've studied grammar, learned words, even practiced speaking. But when you hear natives talk, it's like they're speaking another language. Why? Reason 1: connected speech. In real life, English words don't come one by one. They blend together. Example: I want to go becomes I want to go. Did you eat becomes did you eat? Let me see becomes let me see. You're not wrong, you just weren't trained to hear English this way. Reason 2: learn to hear English, not translate it. Stop translating in your head. You don't have time for that in a real conversation. Instead, train your brain to catch meaning through context, tone, and rhythm. Example: he's gonna be there in a sec. You may not know every word, but you can guess. He's going to be there in a second. Learn key linking patterns. Practice these aloud with me. What are you doing? What you doing? I'm going to eat. I'm gonna eat. Did you see it? Did you see it? Now pause the video and try saying them 3 times fast. Practice with real speed English. Let's do a mini listening training. Slow: what do you want to do tonight? Fast native: what do you want to do tonight? Slow: I don't know what he's talking about. Fast native: dunno what he's talking about. Slow: let me think about it for a while. Fast native: let me think about it for a while. Did you notice the difference? Now listen again and try to repeat the native version. Daily listening practice plan. To train your ears like a native, you need consistency. Do this daily. 1. Choose a short native video: YouTube, Netflix, podcast. 2. Listen once without subtitles. 3. Listen again with subtitles. 4. Pause, repeat, copy their rhythm and pronunciation. 5. Mute and repeat without looking just like them. Just 10 to 15 minutes daily can make a huge difference in your listening skills. Building confidence to handle fast English. Sometimes you'll miss a word, it's okay. Even native speakers sometimes say, "Sorry, what did you say?" Learn to catch the idea, not every single word. Practice saying this: I may not catch everything, but I can understand enough to respond. This is real fluency. So, how much did you understand from the fast English examples? Which phrase was hardest for you? Comment below and I'll give you personal feedback. If this helped you hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's struggling with listening. And most important, Subscribe now so you don't miss our final stage, Stage 5, where we bring everything together for complete fluency. See you in the next video. Keep leveling up.